Hey everybody, it's Oksana with Craft and More Design. Thank you so much for coming back. And for those of you that are new, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, all that kind of stuff. You know the drill, it's YouTube. So today I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is actually, again, another custom order for a client. I went ahead and spray painted this round with Rust-Oleum matte black spray paint. And then I went ahead and just arranged all my florals before I used the hot glue gun to permanently attach them. So the materials that I used for this project, got some burlap to hang it with, glue gun with some extra glue sticks, super glue to attach all the florals to, scissors, staple gun, of course your florals, and then the round, which you can actually buy at Home Depot for about $6 or $7. So that is everything you need, not a lot of supplies. The welcome, I've actually did my own cutout, but you can buy those pre-made at Walmart or online, or just message me and I will wholesale some to you.
What is a man, that you mindful of him? What? And what do I have to deserve this love? Trying to make the moments last, holding on to the past. But like a hero in a dream, Christ came and he rescued me. Now I'ma tell the world, tell them, I'ma tell it everywhere I go. Tell the world, tell them, yeah, I'm a billboard. Like a radio, tell the world you wanna know. I'm brand new. I can't offer you nothing, but your carrot kindness keep coming. And your love is so unconditional, like get butterflies in my stomach. I got the old me in the rear view, now the new me, got a clear view. I was so dead I couldn't hear you, too deep in sin to come near you. But you drew me in, you clean me up, to take me home, beam me up. Before you do, just let me tell the truth and let these folks know that I done seen your love and it's everlasting, infinite. It goes on.
So for those of you guys that have loved this video, give it a thumbs up. For all of you guys that don't like this video, all my haters out there, thank you for watching anyways. And comment below what you would like to learn, and I would love to make a video just for you guys. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, come follow me, and go make yourself a beautiful round. Speaking about haters, why does YouTube even have a dislike button? It's so mean. Like, if you don't like my video, just go somewhere else. I mean, you don't have to dislike something, you know? Well, anyways, there's my rant for the day.